Welcome back in, of course, to another video. In today's video is another Makeup Monday video, so if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. Monday, me and some lovely ladies on Instagram, we do a collab, and we do different themes each week. This is just on Instagram, so I will link the ladies down below their Instagram so you can go check them out, show them some love. Please go follow them, like their posts, all that stuff. They'll really appreciate it. This week's theme was creation or creative. So we just have to do a creative makeup look, and I decided to do one for Easter, so I created this look. This is inspired by robin eggs, the chocolate. I got inspired by this picture of this lovely lady. I will link her Instagram down below. That's who I got inspired by. The picture's up here. She did it, and I just want to do my take on it because I really love robin eggs. They're one of my favorite treats during Easter time. It makes me think of my grandma that passed. She used to get them a lot during the season of Easter. And I loved going over to her house when she had them. And they're so cute. So I did pink and blue because I love pink and blue together. So yeah, that's how they turned out. So the next clip will be me talking about the makeup I used. And hope y'all do enjoy it. Again, make sure you do go check out the other ladies that's in this collab and see what creative makeup look they do this week. And now let's talk about the makeup I used. So the palette I used to create this eye look is by Morphe. It's the 35S Sweet Oasis palette. Looks like this. And sorry about the glare on there. Setting spray got on it. But here's what the palette looks like. So what I did is I used this shady spot right here as the outline of the eggs, and in my crease I was going to blend it out with these light brown shades up here on the top, but I just decided to blend out the shade itself because it didn't look right when I was blending it. So that's what I did. And then when I put the dark shade in the crease, I did blend it out with Rooftop View to blend out the edges of that shade. And then on the lid, I used Just Us 2. This is pretty shimmer shade on the lid. And then I did a mixture of Just Us 2 and champagne on ice in my inner corner and under my brow bone, because the champagne on ice was a little bit orangey on the lid on my face when I applied it. So I decided to put Just Us 2 over top of it to make it a little bit more blinding shade than the orange. And then I did take the shady spot again under my eye and blend it out some. So that's what I used. And then after I outlined the eggs, I know they're not perfect, but you know, it's just an Easter look. It's supposed to be fun. After I outlined the egg shape, I did keep the middle bare, and I put Love Struck, which is this pink shade, and Saltwater Dip, which is this blue shade. The colors of them, because they're the pastel colors in this palette, and I really love it. Now I would have placed this one in a better spot, but my eyes are two different shaped, and this one goes down a little bit more than usual. So yeah, it kind of looks like it's like in my eye a little bit, but that's okay. And then I did take the dark brown that I been using, which is the dark brown I used on my crease, and I used this Vertex brush to put little dots on it, because there is like little dots all over the egg, and I just used brown for that. I don't know if they're all brown. They might be black, I don't know, but that's what I use. And these Vertex brushes I really recommend if you need a detail brush. I did unbox this on my channel, but this is like the one that was like thin at the top, so I decided to use it as my dotting tool. And yeah, that's what I created. So that's my eye look for today. I will let you link it down below the palette. Then I used for my mascara is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara. Looks like this. And I really been trying to use this more because I want to test it out. That's what it looks like with 2 coats on my lashes. I do have short lashes, but I love how it looks on my lashes. So I've been loving that. And this is my first time having like this type of packaging, because usually I just have a tube. Then for my lips, I used the Lime Crime Teddy Bear shade, because it's the perfect brown shade, just to tie in the chocolate look and all that stuff. Lime Crime is a really good brand. I really recommend them. I wish I could try more of their makeup because their makeup is really good, but I have tried their hair dye in the past and they're really good. Then the last thing I did is I used the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray by e.l.f. to set my face. And I'm trying to test out because it said before and after makeup. So I did use it on my face as like a primer. When I did set my face with powder and was done with my blush and my highlighter, I did set it. And then I did set it one more time after I got done with my whole makeup look. So yeah, I really love this setting spray. If you need a dewy one, I feel like this is great for the summertime. If you need a refresher, so I really recommend that setting spray. I will link all the items I use down below. They're just links to get there, no affiliates or anything. If I do have a affiliate, it'll be down below at the bottom with the code beside it. So you know, if you do use that link code, you get a small percentage off your order. I get a small commission, so it was a lot. So please use them if you want to. But I will link product so just in case you don't want to use them. And there is affiliate links down there, just the affiliate link, and that's just for I don't know if you get any percentage off, but that if you use that link, I get a small commission. And lastly, I will link the my Amazon storefront just in case you want to check that out. I usually link things I have used that you can get from Amazon, so I'll link them in my storefront for y'all. So please do go shop through that link. That is an affiliate link, and all the money I make from that link will go right back to my channel, so you know. I really recommend you check, if you love Amazon, to go check my storefront out and shop through there. If you do use any of my links, please let me know in the comments. I want to thank you personally. And I think that's it for all the the makeup products. Now let's talk about what I'm wearing today. Okay, we're going to start from the top, which you wouldn't be able to see during the video, but I'm wearing this headband. I think I might have got it from the Dollar Tree, but it's like cute little pink ears, and they are, there is metal in it so you can like move them. I just come straight up. I'm wearing these pastel purple clips to tie the pastel. And then the shirt I'm wearing is just this cat lady shirt. Let me move my hair so you can see it better. Because of the pink color. Because I wanted to tie in the pastel color. I really love this shirt. And yeah, I love the cat lady shirts. They're really good. And whenever I get a chance to wear them, I love wearing them for these makeup looks, even though they're not really good with the look for like cat themed or anything. I just wear them because I need the color. But that's all I'm wearing today. I don't know if I can link these, but again, check out your local Dollar Tree. You might find some. The hair clips I got from somebody in friend mail, I think, and then the shirt came from the cat lady box, so you know. So that's all I'm wearing today, and that'll be it for today's video. So if you got this far in the video and enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below, let's say if you love robin eggs, if you have tried them. Let me know if you love eating them during Easter season. If they're not your favorite, please let me know what your favorite Easter candy is. I'd love to know that as well. And then you'll be shouted out in the next video upon my channel. If you want to see me shout in the previous video upon my channel, check out the channel's checkout section, show them some love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. So if you're a YouTuber, go check out their channel, tell them I sent you. And if they're a subscriber, go find their comment in the comment section, tell them that you're grateful for their support for the unicorn family so they know. And this is a way for me to say thank you for all the unicorns that do show my videos some love and watch them full. It means the world to me. And I really do appreciate your support. And I love shouting out people for you, all unicorns, get to know new people that you can go check out and watch if they're a YouTuber, or you can go see who is part of the unicorn family as a subscriber. So again, if you do want to be shout out, please leave that answer to that question. If not, just say you watched in full and you'll be shout out in the next video upload also on my channel. So I will link the playlist for Makeup Monday just in case you want to watch past videos that me and the lovely ladies have done. We have a fun time doing this each Monday. I know we skip here and there some looks because, you know, stuff happens, but we try to get there. We try to do it every Monday. And we do it on Instagram, so you know. I don't know if the hostess was going to allow any newcomers come, but if she ever asked, I will send you her way if you do want to ask to join in. But we started this group, well, the host of this started this group because she wanted to help me out with my makeup, and I have been having a blast with her. She always gives the greatest tips and tricks on how to do makeup. She's such an inspiration, and I love her so much. She's one of my, closest friends on Instagram, and we talk a lot. So when she started this group, I was so happy. And then she added one more person to the group because she wanted to have somebody else join in that might need help with their makeup skills. So yeah, we have such a fun time. We do this every Monday, like I said, and we just do it on Instagram. So again, make sure you do go check out the web ladies. That link down below. Go check out their Instagram, follow them, show them some love. They'll really appreciate it, and tell them I sent you if you're new to their Instagram. But I just do it here to let you know how I created it, just in case you want to know. If you do recreate this look, please tag me. I love to go check it out, show it someone I think it's perfect for Easter time. And, it's a everyday look besides the touch of color. So, yeah. And the girl that I got inspired by, I want to thank her. I will link her down below, her Instagram. That's where I got it from. And I will be tagging her in the Instagram post, and hopefully she sees it. But she was the one that inspired me, and she did it a little bit differently, but I just want to do my take on it. But I always love shouting out people that I do get inspired by because they deserve the credit. If I saw their look and really wanted to recreate it, I always tagged them in the post and just say thank you for the inspiration. So again, if you do get inspired by one of my looks from any of the past looks I have done or any looks in general, please do tag me and I will go to go check it out, show it some love, and shout you out in my community tab over there on my Instagram if it's on Instagram. So yeah, I think that's it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my robin eggs inspired makeup look for today for Makeup Monday. I'd love to know your thoughts on it, how you think I did. I think they turned out really cute. I know they're not perfect, but they don't have to be perfect. They're candy eggs, But I think this turned out really cute. But I'd love to know your thoughts down below, and let me know if you do enjoy Makeup Monday each week. I'd love to know that as well. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.